Hi, the Randalorian here with a quick unboxing and product review. With the recent fires and bad air quality, I was prompted to look into an air purifier for my home. I watched a ton of YouTube videos of various air purifiers on the market, read a bunch of product reviews, and even spoke to some close friends on what their favorite air purifiers were. I decided to purchase the Dyson Pure Hot and Cool Cryptomic Air Purifier version HP06, which is the smaller model. I've had much success and satisfaction with Dyson in the past and own 3 other products from Dyson. The HP06 purifying heater and fan in gunmetal and bronze appealed to me with its sleek, modern look and added features from its previous versions. To highlight some of the Dyson purifying fan features, the HP06 uses self-regulating ceramic plates to heat the air as it leaves the machine. Once the target temperature is reached, the machine automatically stops heating, saving energy. The Dyson Air Multiplier technology is also a standard feature with this air purifier, delivering over 79 gallons of smooth, powerful airflow per second. The HP06 also features 2 airflow modes, releasing air from either the front or the back, based on the preference of how you want the breeze to feel. Finally, the HP06 is an app-enabled device and has HomeKit-enabled controls and integrates easily with my iPhone and Siri. The main new feature of the HP06 is its Cryptomic air purifier, which not only helps to filter out pollen, bacteria, mold, ultrafine particles, and viruses, household fumes such as benzene and various VOCs, but also formaldehyde, which is released by carpets, rugs, and flooring. According to the CDC website on indoor formaldehyde, levels are higher in homes with smokers and home with new products or new construction. Specifically, manufactured wood products such as cabinets, furniture, plywood, particle board, and laminate flooring, among other things. Formaldehyde levels are also much higher in homes built after 1990 due to the better insulation, so less air is moving into and out of the home. For me and my needs, the Cryptomic version of the Dyson fan made the most sense. Since I live in a tiny 1-bedroom apartment that was constructed in the mid-1990s, the smaller size Dyson HP06 is perfect for purifying this smaller space. I also have laminate flooring and many particle board based furniture and shelving, which contributes to the level of formaldehyde. I am extremely satisfied with this purchase, and it has dramatically improved the air quality in my apartment. Setup was simple and easy. Using my iPhone, I paired up the Dyson with the app. As you can see, it took merely seconds for it to find the new fan and pair it up. As soon as the app and the Dyson fan were connected via Bluetooth, it resumed programming the Dyson fan to connect to my existing wireless network. Once the fan was connected to the network, I labeled the room that the fan would be placed in. The app immediately detected the current room conditions, including the air quality index number, as you can see way above the normal range. Fan controls are built nicely into the app interface and easy to position and reposition the fan. When I first turned on the HP06, it immediately detected the air quality index close to 200. It took about 4 hours to bring down the AQI to 10, and another hour to bring it to more stable current levels ranging between 3 to 5. The price point is high, so most people will consider other products in the market. However, Dyson does have those periodic 20% off coupon codes, which is what I waited for. The price with a discount makes it totally worth it. I love the sleek and modern look and love the darker gunmetal color for my home. If you think your house or apartment does fit the criteria to CDC's indoor formaldehyde levels, then this purchase is a must. I've linked the CDC page below for your reference. The only thing that would make this Dyson fan cooler is RGB lighting. Please share your comments below if you own a Cryptomic Dyson air purifier. I'd love to hear your experiences. This is the Randalorian, signing off.